another sold-out show because of you. Maraming salamat. We're very happy and actually we're very overwhelmed. This is our first show here in Doha, but still we can really feel your support, your love for SB19. Alam namin there's more shows here next time, but for tonight we're very happy, we're very blessed to be with you tonight for this sold-out show. Maraming salamat po. At dahil nagpapasalamat na rin tayo, of course, hindi natin pwede for SB19. Alam namin there's more shows here next time, but for tonight we're very happy, we're very blessed to be with you tonight for this sold-out show. Maraming salamat po.
Going on here at the venue. Ma'am. Okay ka lang dito? Nandiyan siya? Si Arlene? Sige, nakalibok. Hey guys. And yes, of course, we are now in the venue. This is the big event we're waiting for. Again, this are ayun na mga aking mga ay, kaso si Jason. Oo. Isa lang. Isa lang. Nandun siya. Pero ako na lang magbibigay. Gusto mo? Sige. Opo, tig-isa lang po. Sige. Sige po. Hello guys. Good evening. It's me again, your Qatar social media guy here in Doha. And ito na mga hello. Mag-ikot-ikot na ako, nakalib ako. So guys. Kaya dyan pa sila sina ano. It's the SB19. Si Tito P. Di doon sa bila. Konti din lang ano. Kala ko malaki pero konti din lang.
Maraming baka dito sa
Sinabihan ako, hindi natin ano,